Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best eyeshadow palettes available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Nude Gold Eyeshadow Palette. This nude eyeshadow is friendly to beginner. The matte and metallic finishes create super dimensional and easy to wear looks. The eyeshadow's long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders, which adheres easily to the eyes, gives a soft focus effect, and blends smoothly and evenly. The natural eyeshadow palette is high pigmented and daily necessity. When used it will love it. At number 6 we have Maybelline Eyeshadow Palette. This 12-shade eyeshadow palette features dazzling colors infused with rose gold pigments. From bold beiges and sultry sands to brazen bronzes and tempting taupes, this palette's expertly curated shades are perfect for creating versatile custom looks. You can use the shimmery dark gray to add depth to the crease, and close to the lash line of the top lid. At number 5 we have NYX Professional Eyeshadow Palette. This professional level makeup palette features 16 highly pigmented shadows that glide onto lids and make eyes pop with color. You can use with NYX Professional Makeup Eyeshadow Primer for bolder, longer lasting color. Each high-quality eyeshadow palette features a highly pigmented mix of finishes from matte and satin to shimmery and metallic, perfect for your skin tone. At number 4 we have Lorac Eyeshadow Palette. You can get unzipped and unleash your natural beauty with Lorac's universally flattering nude eyeshadow palette. You can create unlimited head-turning looks with the mini behind-the-scenes eye primer for long-lasting color, and 10 ultra-rich shimmering and matte shadows in a super sexy nude palette. At number 3 we have Almay Eyeshadow Palette. Each of this 4 compacts comes with an antioxidant vitamin E enriched primer base that smooths lids, extends wear of eyeshadows, and protects against environmental stressors. Each pan is labeled with a directional number to make building your look effortless. This versatile eyeshadow kit is perfect for a wide range of looks, including transitioning your eye makeup from day to night. At number 2 we have Urban Decay Eyeshadow Palette. This Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet Eyeshadow Palette features 12 vivid purple and peachy neutrals ranging from satins and mattes to shimmers and metallics. That's including a holographic pearl transformer shade. You can use the deeper 5 shades to create a smoky eye or a rich purple look. His palettes features proprietary ingredient blend. At number 1 we have Beslip. This eyeshadow palette will take you through every season. That's providing you with every color of eyeshadow you need. This safe packaging method can reduce the chances of being broken even if put an end to. This matte and shimmer eyeshadows, long-lasting, easily blendable eyeshadows that can be applied wet or dry for many different looks. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best eyeshadow palettes for your need.